Hi, my name is Naomi.
And my name is Sophie.
Today we'll be looking into all of the inventions that made the textile industry important in the Industrial Revolution.
Textiles can be defined as cloth and cloth products and can be made from oil, plant, or animal fibers like wool, silk, and linen. If materials had to be manufactured by humans to become wool, it would be called synthetic wool. In England, there were tons of spinning factories. Many Britons were involved in textiles, either as textile workers or investors.
Here in these factories, the cotton fibers would fly through the air and be breathed in by the workers, severely damaging their lungs.
Wool was an important industry for the textile industry. Britain's climate was ideal for raising large herds of sheep.
Britain's cotton supply mainly came from India and Southern America.
John Kay invented the flying shuttle in 1733. He made a fortune from it because it sped up the process of making cloth and improved the textile industry's profit. The invention used springs and levers to pull the shuttle back after it crossed the threads. Even though it greatly decreased the time it took to make cloth, it used up yarn faster than it could be made and put shuttle throwers out of a job.
In 1764, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny. It was a device that was driven by a hand-cranked wheel and let the spinner spin off multiple threads at the same time. He kept his invention a secret at first, but people eventually caught on, and an angry mob broke into his house and destroyed the original spinning jenny, forcing Hargreaves to move away and set up his own spinning factory. Yarn was in so much demand that spinning jennies were soon being used all over England.
Many more inventions were created in an attempt to make the textile industry larger. Richard Arkwright invented the water frame, which spun yarn using rollers. It improved the strength of the yarn and was faster than the spinning jenny.
Samuel Compton invented the mule, which was simply a combination of the water frame and the spinning jenny. Once England had a good supply of yarn, weaving was mechanized even more.
They had enormous looms that couldn't be powered by human labor and needed large buildings to be housed. Factories were built, and soon the textile industry would become dependent on power.